Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people on which we stand today, and recognise their continuing connections to the land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing about Australia fair.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. Well, this week I've been reflecting on our SWPBS matrix and I was looking at respect, the value of respect, and I got thinking that, well, when I walk around the school, before school, during recess and lunch times, and even at the end of the day, I am very, very impressed with the amount of students that are showing respect, specifically using good manners. So keep up the good work, everyone. We are all very, very proud of you. My next point is to share with you the visits that I've been conducting to the Year 2 classes this week. It's been wonderful to be able to share what school was like when I was your age. And our students are amazed that, well, believe it or not, but we didn't have mobile phones, we didn't have laptops or computers, we didn't even have the internet because all those things weren't invented. But in my classroom, I remember being in a desk where we weren't allowed to move out of the desk. There were 30 to 35 other students in the room. And at the front of the classroom was a blackboard. And the teacher used to use chalk and write all our lessons up on that board. So thank you, everybody. You made me feel very, very welcome, and I really enjoyed my time in the classes with you. My next point is next week we have the Year 3 students heading off to the Briars camp at Mount Martha. Just like you, I'm very excited because I'm actually going to pop down a couple of evenings and say hi and join all our students for dinner. And one thing I would like to do on the night that I cannot attend is have a teleconference where I can actually read all our students a bedtime story from my home. Another exciting event this next week is the Year 2 sleepover at school. And again, I'll be joining our Year 2 students, and I'm very, very excited to be able to sleep overnight at school and take part in all the fun activities. Well, thank you, everybody. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Remember to read every single day. And if you are riding a scooter or a bike around, please remember to wear a helmet and ensure that chin strap is secure under your chin. All right, thank you, everyone. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Our next week's SWPBS goal is that we only access school-approved sites.
This is our school landing page.
This is where you can find our school-approved sites. If you want to go on another site, talk to your teacher.
today we're gonna say hello and how are you in Gujarati. Thank you. Maja. Today I'm going to say Sat Sri Akal in Punjabi. Hello means Sat Sri Akal. Next week's SFA PBS goal is in Urdu is we will हम सिर्फ स्कूल के मंजूर शुरू साइट्स पर जा सकते हैं. Thank you from the West Cape US. Thank you to the food. Thanks for the fruit and vegetables. Thank you.
Hi guys, did you know that it's Science Week next week? The theme for this year is going to be Innovation Powering Future Industries. Now throughout the week we're going to be participating in different science and technology based activities, but the big one across the school will be the Great Paper Plane Competition. Now what this means for you is you will be involved in researching, designing, creating and testing your paper planes, and you'll be competing against the people in your homeroom, and then at the end of the week we will be crowning the winning paper plane champion for each year level. You might want to start researching and designing and practicing your paper plane folding at home so that you can design the best paper plane possible that will be able to fly the fastest and the furthest. I can't wait to see what you end up creating. Bye now.
Well, hello there. Now, I'm not sure how many of you have been watching our Australian women's soccer team in the World Cup, but they are doing extremely well. So this week I thought I would link my joke and make it topical. Here we go. Are you ready? Why wasn't Cinderella any good at soccer? 10 seconds thinking time and see if you can work it out. Okay, why wasn't Cinderella any good at soccer? Because she kept running away from the ball. I hope you all have a great week and I'll see you soon.